Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't dined at a steakhouse, you can prepare these succulent juicy beef skewers with a simple grill pan over the stove. Churrasco is a Brazilian word used to describe grilled steak or barbecuing. And in today's video, I will show you how to prepare these Brazilian grilled beef skewers at home, simply called as Brazilian churrasco. For which I will require one beef rump steak, which I have cut into cubes, and then I'm going to marinate these steaks. For the marinade, first I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, or you could even use red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder. Next, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and then give it a mix. After which I'm going to add juice of half a lemon. So lemon is going to give it a nice and tangy flavor. And mix this well and set it aside for around half an hour. To prepare the beef skewers, I require half an onion, half a red bell pepper, and half a green bell pepper. And I'm going to use 1 zucchini or courgette that is cut in 2 circles. So these are all the veggies that I've cut, and now it's time to assemble the beef skewers. So I'm going to alternate between pieces of beef and the veggies so that the skewers look colorful and the meat has been well marinated. And once the skewers have been made, you're going to see how well they look. The beef rump skewers are ready, and look how beautiful it looks, how colorful it looks. So you have to try this recipe of beef churrasco at home and let me know how it turns out, friends. These beef churrascos are ready to be grilled on the grill pan. So now it's time to grill. I've heated my grill pan on medium heat and it's hot, and now it's time to add in about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, it's time to add in the beef skewers. And when you place the skewers on the pan, you can just hear this marvelous sizzling sound. So I'm going to let these skewers cook on one side for around 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm going to turn them over. Well, this is such a simple recipe that you can do it, that you can replicate at home. And I hope you like this video. If you don't like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have anything to ask for. And subscribe to my channel if you have not. Now you can prepare the meat rare, medium, medium well, or well done. And it depends on you what you prefer. If you prefer cooking the meat or medium, then you will need to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on one side and then turn it over. So now it's about time for us to turn the skewers over. So let's see how well they are cooked. Look at that lovely charcoal color that it has got. The meat has got brown on one side and it looks just so delicious. And now we need to leave it to cook for around 4 to 5 minutes on the other side. So here friends, the beef skewers or the beef churrasco is ready, and it has got such a lovely aroma. So I'm going to turn the flame off and I'm ready to plate it. Friends, this is the beef churrasco that I've prepared. It is such a simple dish that you can prepare in your kitchen. Please do try the recipe out and let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if you enjoyed watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.